Chapter 40. The Mountain. Jambavan was grievously injured, as were vast numbers of the Vanara army, including their greatest champions, Lord Ram and Prince Lakshmana. Their senior commanders, Sugriv, Nal, Neel and Angad, also lay among the many fallen champions. Using the deadly Brahmastra, the demon prince Indrajit had delivered yet another devastating blow to the army of forest dwellers. Jambavan, the Bear King, whispered, "Hanuman, there are herbs found on the mountains of the Himalayas that may yet save us. In the midst of Mount Rishaba and Kailasa, you will see a blazing and brilliant herbal mountain. Here you will find Sanjeevani, capable of restoring the dead to life, Vishal Yakarani, capable of extracting weapons and healing all wounds inflicted by weapons, Suva Nakarani, which restores the body to its original complexion, and Sandani, the great herb capable of joining severed limbs or fractured bone. Bring us those herbs with haste, son of Vayu. Our lives depend upon you alone." Hanuman understood the severity of the situation and the precious time remaining. He grew in size, towering like a mountain. With a thunderous leap, he soared into the air, crossing rivers, forests, and villages. At last, the Himalayas rose before him, majestic and eternal, their peaks crowned with snow. But once he arrived at the herbal mountain, Hanuman could not identify the specific herbs that Jambavan had told him about. The sacred herbs shimmered faintly, hidden among countless plants, and though his strength was unmatched, his knowledge of the healing arts was not. And so, once more, Hanuman grew in size, shaking the mountain beneath his feet. Digging his colossal hands into the earth, he wrenched the very peak from its roots. Trees, rocks and soil clung to the mountain as he heaved it into the air. Back in Lanka, despair hung over the Vanara army. The wounded groaned in agony, and the healers worked tirelessly with the little resources they had left. But then, a Vanara warrior, his eyes wide, pointed to the horizon. "Look, Hanuman has returned." The Vanaras erupted in disbelief and joy. The great soul Hanuman had achieved the unthinkable. He had moved a mountain to save his people. Hanuman placed the mountain gently upon the ground. The great healer Sushen and his attendants rushed forward, plucking the radiant herbs that glowed with divine light. As the medicines were ground and their essence administered, the miracle unfolded. Wounds closed, broken bones mended, and the fallen stirred back to life. One by one, the champions rose again. Jambavan, Sugriv, Angad, Nal, Neel, Lakshmana, and at last, Ram himself. The army that had been crushed now stood renewed. The war was not yet over, but hope had returned, and in that moment, Lanka trembled once more. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.